Let's have a discussion about the HCF of two numbers by using the Venn diagram. First of all, it's very, very important that you have to understand what is the HCF. So we will little discuss about the HCF. Then, please understand one thing, that HCF you can find minimum two numbers required to find out the HCF, and more you can have many, right? You can easily find out the HCF of three numbers also, four numbers also, and so on. So what is the meaning of HCF? So HCF means highest common factor, right? So first of all, we have to understand what are the factors. Factors are the numbers, are like the divisors, we can say. Suppose I will say this is number 12. What are the factors of 12? So the numbers which can easily divide 12, right? So 2 can easily divide 12. Then you have 3, then you have 4, then you have 6, then you have 12, and 1. 1 is very, very important. So all these numbers, these are the factors of 12. So factors are the numbers which can divide a particular number, right? Now, because we are finding the HCF by using the Venn diagram, you have to see that I have to choose only those factors which are prime factors, right? Like this, 2 and 3 only are the prime numbers. So I just take 2 and 3. So to find out the factors, you can have many ways. Right now, what we have to do, we have to decompose a number. Suppose let's take an example. By taking an example, we can understand that how to find out the HCF of two numbers. Suppose this is a question that find the HCF and we are not finding the LCM. Find the HCF of 140 and 120. So I have to break 140 and 120 separately. So you can have many methods to break it. You should have the prime factorization method, or you have the column method, or you have the tree method. So I will use tree method because it will be easier for everyone. Okay, so start breaking the number by using the very first number. So the first number, prime number that I have is 2, and 2 easily divide 140. So I will take 2. So 2 times 70 is 140. Now 2 is prime, but 70 is not prime. Again, I will break 70. So 2 can easily divide 70. Again, 2 is prime, 35 is not prime. So again, now 2 can't divide 35. So 5 times 7 is 35. Now all the numbers I got, because 5 and 7 are the last numbers. Now I can't break 5 and 7. So what are the prime numbers I have? 2, 2, 5, 7. Okay. Now let's again take 120. Now break 120. So 2 times 60 is 120. 60 is not prime. So 2 times 30. Then 30 again I will break. 2 times 15. Right? Then again I will break 15. So 15 can break as 3 times 5. Right? After 2 I have 3 to break 15. So 3 times 5. Now I got the numbers which are prime. So 2, 2, 2, 3, 5. Okay. So what is the decomposition of 140? It is 2 times 2 times 5 times 7. What is the decomposition of 120? It is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 3. Right? After that, what we have to do? We have to make the pairs. We have to make the pairs. So pairs are like, this is one of the pair, this is one of the pair, and this is one of the pair of the same number. So pair I will take as a single number. Please remember. Now, because we have to do with the Venn diagram. So in Venn diagram, you need circles. If you have two numbers, you need two circles, right? So this is a circle for 120 and this is a circle for, suppose, 140. First I will take the circle of 140. So this is the circle of 140 and this is the circle of 120. Circles should be equal. Please remember this thing. Okay. So my circle is little smaller and this is little bigger. So don't take that. What are the common numbers that I have make the pairs? So pair I have of, this is of 2, this is of 2, and this is 5. So please write in the middle section. That is the intersection, means which are common, right? So middle part is the intersection common, which is common to both the circles. So the pairs I will write as a single number in the middle. What are the last number that I have? So 7 is left over in 140. So 7 I will write outside. 3 and 2 is left in 120. So 2 and 3 I am writing it here. So what is the intersection? Now, intersection part is the HCF. So this is the HCF. So what is the HCF? Whatever the numbers you have as a pair, so please multiply them. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20. So this is the HCF, 20 of 140 and 120. Please remember, whatever the middle part you have, whatever the numbers you have in the middle part, the multiplication of all three numbers, all those numbers is the HCF, right? So that's that, everyone. So thank you. Thank you. And one more thing, please remember, that pairs you don't have to take like as 2 times 2. The pair you will take as a single number. If this is a pair, take it as 2 only. If this is a pair, take it as 2. Then this is a pair, then take it as 5. Please remember, okay? So yes, thank you. Thank you so much.